I'm pretty excited today to share with you all this Indigo Blue Blackout Package 28-foot trailer. The good thing about this trailer is it's screened in on the back porch. This is going to Georgia. That's a requirement for the state of Georgia. So it's screened in back porch, also with the gull wings that let down, 8,000-pound axles, 3x6 concession window, and we have a menu box here with a covered awning above, and we have Boogie Lights here, and we have Boogie Lights underneath. Double tube reinforced porch is very important with a steel floor. If they're giving you a plywood floor with ATP covering, over time that floor is going to rot. It's not going to hold and support the weight of that 1,500-pound smoker that's on the back. Another key feature with us, a lot of companies will tell you it doesn't include the LP tanks because of insurance reasons. Well, if they leave here empty, you can't get in trouble with that. We include with all of our trailers 2 100-pound LP tanks that are included with the packages that you get. And they're also, the biggest feature with these are they use a standard valve. The standard valve is a pressurized valve, and you can't fill it from the top. With ours, there's a cap on the top, and you can do what it's called a multi-valve unit. When you buy these from us, that's about $600 extra we have to spend just on the propane tanks, where other companies are telling you it doesn't come with it. So when you compare apples to apples, make sure you look at that. 10,000-pound or 10,500 generator, and then we have the 24,000 BTU mini split. Also included in this trailer has, you don't get the fan that you got to turn manually and anything like that. You got a light switch, and then you get a fan that's automatic. You can hit this button here, it'll open automatically. It'll open up and you get to set the speed. We always want 100%, of course, to draw any air out. The air can come in or out. It's covered on top. It prevents leaking and things like that. So that's something else that comes with our trailers. When you get a bathroom package, you'll get the toilet, hand wash sink, and you'll also get the powered roof vent. And when it's powered, it's remote control as well. It has, so one of the features of this trailer is it has a commercial spray nozzle, high powered, from there. LP on-demand hot water heater. If you use an electric hot water heater, you have 15 amps of some power that you have to provide for the trailer. With this, when you use an LP hot water heater, that's like 1 amp, less than 1 amp. So, hand wash, splash guard, soap dispenser. So you got a single door refrigerator, single door freezer. They got a nice kind of a work table here. You got the 40 to 50-pound deep fryer, 4-burner stove with oven, 2 racks on this one. You got the griddle, and you got a spacer table here, and you got the warming box. You can put all your sides and things like that in the warming box. You look over here, you got the base cabinet, upper shelf with a lip. He's got a lip on top to help him put stuff that don't slide off. One thing we always tell our clients is one of the best features you can get on a porch trailer is always going to be the pocket door. It prevents outswing. It prevents you having to have so much space on the porch. You can have, what more can you do with a space that takes up to 3 foot or 30 inches that the door swings? You can get a little bit bigger smoker. There's a lot of benefits. We also put a window in this one, and it has a hold back latch here. You hold this door back. It's almost like the floor though is an addition. Is an addition to the kitchen. So it's almost as if you're just walking straight out to your porch. This is a star of the show. The CTO-DW. CTO-DW. You got the firebox underneath, charcoal tray. The porches. We also have a 1/4 horse fan above that pulls the smoke and grease and debris above, and then we have lights. We also have a hand wash sink outside. A lot of places in Georgia are requiring that, so that's one of the options. Plenty of room here to store things. We also have an egress door, an extra exit door. You get on and off, so you can have this closed. You can get on and off and just work the porch. The grease dump is on this side, the gas line's on this side, and your electrical's on this side. So most everything you do is on this side If you want to store wood and things, you can store it on this side over here. This floor is steel. Okay, there's no plywood on our porches. We do that for 2 or 3 reasons. One is strength. When you weld all the cross members together onto the steel, it creates strength. Number 2 is it's all seamed. There's no caulking or anything like that. All of it's welded in. And the biggest thing is you're setting at 1,500 pounds at the back. You had better have some kind of a surface to mount everything.